In a sun-drenched forest clearing, Fleet darts, a whirlwind of fur and energy, mocking Shell's slow, deliberate pace. Fleet's taunts echo through the trees. "Look at you, Shell. You are so slow, you will never get anywhere." Shell, unperturbed, meets Fleet's arrogance with a steady gaze. "Perhaps not, Fleet, but I challenge you to a race." Fleet bursts into laughter, the challenge accepted with unrestrained glee. "A race against you. You are on." The forest watches as the unlikely rivals prepare to face off, the air thick with anticipation and the promise of a spectacle. The starting gun echoes, and Fleet surges forward, a burst of speed, leaving Shell far behind. The crowd's roar fades as Fleet glances back, a smug grin spreading across his face. Plenty of time to win, Fleet thinks, spotting a shady tree and slowing his pace. Fleet drifts off to sleep under the tree as Shell continues his steady pace, never faltering. Shell's unwavering determination carries him forward, a stark contrast to Fleet's overconfidence. A roaring wave of cheers erupts as Shell crosses the finish line, a beacon of triumph against the vibrant backdrop. Fleet jolts awake, the harsh reality of his failure slamming into him as he desperately sprints towards the finish. Fleet's shoulders slump as Shell basks in victory, her radiant smile a stark contrast to his crushing shame. I was wrong, Shell, Fleet admits, his voice heavy with regret. Patience and perseverance win the race.